All right, guys, what's going on? I'm out here with the fly rod on the Yellow Breeches Creek, and I've got a nemesis. I'm at this pool. I fished it twice last week with dry flies, and once I got broke off by a fish, and in the same exact spot, under the same bush, I cast El Caricatus again, and I missed him the other day. Yeah! So we're gonna see if we can't get on him. Let's see what we get into. Yeah, nice one. Woo, got one finally, guys. Wasn't really expecting it, to be honest. Pulled him right out of that channel. Feels pretty good. Let's see what we got, guys. Could be a freaking nice one. Come here, baby. Oh yeah, he's nice. Real nice. I think it's a brown, guys. Wow. He's a nice fish. Real nice fish. Now come here, baby. Don't come off. Oh yeah, he's real nice. This is the brown. I missed him once the other day. Come here, baby. Come here. This is the nicest brown I've had on the line. Come here, baby. Strong fish. I think he's tired now. He does not like seeing the net. Come here, baby. Woo! Come on. He's so close. Oh yeah, boom, got him, guys. Nice big brown. Holy crap, look at this fish. Beauty. Look at him. That is just a gorgeous fish right there. Real nice brown. I have actually missed this brown before, and I came down tonight specifically after this guy, so that's awesome. All right, guys, we're gonna let him go. There he goes, off to be caught another day. All right, guys, that's all she wrote for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more trout videos coming at you soon. Fishing's really heating up. We're really hitting it hard. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. We appreciate it. Thanks.